Okay. So, tiger people. Okay. So, my my topic now is like I need to wait. Okay. So yeah, my phone get hacked. Tiger people. My phone get hacked, and it's like mm, something really going on, and my phone is like uh my intuition is like I really know what is really going on around. It's because of my phone, and it's very chaotic as well. It's very chaotic, and ganing makakuan ka guys kanang you really kanang makabalo ka kung unsa ang kanang mga nahitabo sa imuhang it's like you will know really what is the difference of wrong and right. It's because of course you're not a kid anymore, right? So for sure you will know about what's really happening. And the third visit there in Australia, when the third visit there in Australia, uh, it's very chaotic, very, very chaotic. And it's like for me, I'm not really, it's like I am not really invited, but I make it. It's because I have some visa and the privilege of traveling there in Australia. It's because of course if you have a visa, you need to travel there, like that. And no one informed me what's really need to do, or what I need to do, or what like kanang wala gini ka kabaloon sa imong buhaton, like wala ka kabaloon sa imong buhaton dadto ah. Okay, for me niadto lang ko, like for me I will go there. It's because I need to earn some money. I need to earn some money. Then after that, there's a one guy. It's because I go far away from the city. Okay, I go far away from the city, like 3 hours from the city. And he told me that where are you when you coming back to the city? It's because the whole city is looking at you. I said, why they're looking at me? I'm not the mayor of the city. And he told me that because you're a special. What kind of a special? I'm not even beautiful or something like that. So what makes me special? And that thing really a question mark to me, a question mark to me that what makes me special? What makes me special? Then when oh my gosh, it's a lot of going on there. That time is like the situation is like you need to find a partner thing, or lovers, like love like that. And wait, nawala ako. It's really hard to it's really hard to explain this kind of thing. Kanang mayroong tanda. Okay, you can do it, Sassy. Mm. It's like someone put me on a game that I really don't know. That I really don't know. Like it's hard to win. It's because I'm alone. I felt that I am alone. It's really hard to win that I felt that I am alone. Like no one really tell me what's really going on. No one told me what do I need to do. It's because I am not I'm an empath. I'm a soft-hearted person. I'm a kind person. I don't know if I don't feel that sometimes I get angry. I cannot get angry. It's like because my patient is very long. My patient is very long, and for me it's like I need to cut that patient is because you're too good, you're too nice, you're too kind, you know? And oh my God, Sassy, kaya mo to. You can explain it. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Ah, you can do it, girl. Oh my gosh.